1998 Chevy Camaro Z28. Beautiful car. It's got a light cam in it. Really nice car. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then it was into a single there. He had a Corsa system on it that we cut off. It was too quiet for him. So we put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there in the middle. Then we did a custom Y pipe, true flow Y pipe right there, and straight piped it out the back. There and there. And he wanted to leave the Corsa tips on it. So we left the Corsa tips on it right there and right there, as you guys can see. So it's true duals with FLOWMASTER Outlaw, or not true dual, regular duals with FLOWMASTer Outlaw. There's the Corsa muffler we cut off. It was just way too quiet. Massive, but just quiet. It wasn't happening. There it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Yeah, it's a lot louder. Oh yeah. Wow. There's sound again. 111. Let it idle for a second. You guys can hear the cam in it. That sounds phenomenal. Oh man, it's throaty. Yeah. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Z28 Camaro.